just let me know. But they show no fish. Yeah, they say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. They say you found it, but she doesn't want.
Me and my mini-me just got ready. I ain't do too much. Just got ready. Finna get ready to go to this pumpkin patch for my son's field trip. He's at school, so we're gonna meet them there. Say hey, Minnie. Yeah. Look, say hi.
Hi. Hi, Gigi.
So yes, we're finna get ready to go meet them for their field trip. Come on, let's go, KK. Let's go get in the car. Come on. Come on. Give me a hand. My mini got that hair done. That mommy did my hair. Oops. Say mommy did my hair. Turn around. Let's see it. Ooh, that girl got them bows. Ooh. Say yes. Yes. We ain't got no good light. Say my bows match my Spider-Man shirt. Yes. So you can't see it right now because it's under my jacket. Can you wait a minute? Put my phone on the charger. Look at her back there in her seat. Put my phone on the charger. And I gotta put this location in as we speak. But we're gonna get ready to drive, head down there. So see y'all when we get there. So we just made it to the field trip. Say hey to go back. Hey, we just made it to the field trip. I'm gonna get down here, pay for our little tickets. I forgot to get her stroller. I should have got her stroller, but I forgot. Look, KK, there go a cow. It's over there. We made it here the same time the bus did. So yeah, should have brought her stroller because we got a long way to walk. That's not Nair. Oh, you see him walking down the hill over there. Yep, got a long way to walk. But see you guys in a little bit. Look, KK. It's too cute.
Who's saying?
Over here to the.
Who's saying?
You need to be able to listen and hear what we have to say, and just in case I'm like, hey, I need you to move really quick. That's just mainly for your safety as well, okay?
Look at Nair. Say hi.
That's baby. That's baby.
Yeah, that's baby.
Didn't have no turbo noises. We'll have to go.
They're going on a hayride.
Go let you listen to Mark's turbos. Look, come here.
Okay.
What do you think? You want to sit right here? This is dry right here, right? You want to sit on my other leg so you can sit close to that? Well, look who's right here.
Hold on.
We're coming to get some food, I think.
Mama.
There's one right there. You see the cow?
Some food for the cow. Oh, no.
That's not a dog, baby. That's a cow. That's not a dog. Look.
It sounds like a train.
Look, there it goes. That's not a dog.
It's a big dog. Here they come.
Look, they coming. Hold on, I got something I can't. Look. Yeah. Look. Huh? Cause they coming out. Look, they go right there.
There's gonna be a lot of that.
Look, that one's running.
Look. Oh my God! He trying to take your jacket.
I see, and I feel. Come here. You almost go on that back and you Come to me! 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 Come to me!
Be careful.
Come to me! Come here!
They do.
You take a treat and just toss it in there.
Oh, you did one. Uh-oh, be careful, Naya. Naya, you want to feed the cow?
All right, now they're licking, so watch out. All right, I got
KK, you want to feed the cow?
Watch that step, buddy. A lot of them get excited and step backwards and bust it. There you go. I'm coming, sweetheart. I'm coming. Let me make sure all the mamas and daddies here. You know what? Let me give
You don't eat it. Give it to the cow. Get one out of there. Give it to the cow. KK, give it to the cow. Ah! Give it to the cow.
Excuse me, I'm just bumping everybody. I'm trying to get to the bathroom.
Open your mouth! No!
Just give it to him.
Wait!
Give it to him. You gotta put. You can't. KK threw it. You gotta give it to him. Hold it. Hold your hand down there and give it to him.
Hold it in your hand. They're gonna take it. Are you scared?
Look, Nair. Give it to him.
All right, do it now.
Look, there go one right there.
Hold it out.
Give it to him, Nair.
AJ, you gotta stop dropping.
Did you give it to him?
There you go. Just give it to him. Carson, you just
Whoa!
Here.
Oh, no!
That's not a dog, KK.
Mom, that was what? That was what? What am I hitting?
Look, it's right there.
Look, you wanna get down?
Mommy, eye burning.
Yeah, they're gonna shoot right there. You ain't gonna get it for one. Give it to one more.
Here, you gonna give it to the cow?
You're not gonna give it to him.
Got it. What you do with it? You drop here.
Come on.
You gonna get? Look, give it to it. You want him to do it?
He's not gonna give it to the cow. He's gonna drop it. You want it? AJ.
Look, you gonna give it to? Ooh, be careful.
Right now, we gotta wait for.
Huh? That one back there? Here. I see it. That's not a dog, baby. Okay, let's see. KK, he don't want to do it. Now you be careful.
Does he want the food? You got to feed the baby food.
Look, KK. Nair, you see him? Yeah.
Mommy,
Huh?
bit excited. Bit excited.
You see it?
I dropped it in his mouth. Mom, my friend came from.
Be careful so you don't fall.
You want your food? No, no. Hey, go. Give me some. I can. Hey, give me. Hey, what the?
They belong to this farm. And they can keep.
Yeah, we beat the cow.
Y'all got any cow questions? I don't really know what kids this age want to know other than they're big cows, aren't they? They weigh about 1,500, 1,800 pounds. So we're keeping We're staying on the wagon. They're staying off the wagon. These are beef cows. These are our future steaks and roast and ground beef and all that. I generally have somebody ask when we milk them, and my answer is we don't milk them.
The face she makes when she sees the cows.
That one's a milk.
He's not really, he doesn't have horns or anything.
Mama.
Over here.
That's not fireworks. Say hey. Say hey. Alrighty. Hey. Okay, come on. Let's go paint the pumpkins. Come on. Uh-oh, you okay? Wipe your hands off. Okay, come on. So we go paint. Watch where you going. Y'all got another activity y'all gonna do. Come on, let's go paint. Hold on. Huh? No, don't eat it. You paint with it. So you go like this, and you paint it.
Okay.
See?
Can you tell me your name? Say your whole name. Ellie. So E-L-L-I-E. I'm gonna go search the guys. Is that right? Can someone tell me how to spell her name?
You can just do Ellie, E-L-L-I-E. Thank you.
E-L-L-I-E. That one's got green. You gonna add
No, don't eat it.
Cool.
Will you mix it up with a
Yeah. I don't know.
Wow.
You gonna paint, KK?
Come on, man. Let go of it for just a second.
Yeah.
You're done?
You
Let it
done?
dry?
Yeah.
Okay, do you got a lot of
Okay.
paint on your hands?
Look, you gotta add some pink. You said put it back.
Mom,
Huh?
Hold on.
I don't got people.
Yeah. Oh, Cadence, that's not nice. No, you gotta wait, okay?
What?
It's so pretty. It's pretty. You're welcome. It's KK's. It's so pretty. Ah, don't eat it. Why you gotta eat everything?
What?
No, put it back. Ah, where you going with it? No, ma'am.
Oh, I got the rock.
No, you can't get in it. You're not getting in it. Well, you're not gonna get in the inside of it. You gotta keep it inside of there. Yeah? Cadence. No, ma'am. Okay, you're done. You're gonna stop that. She is so bad. Look at her. She's gonna fall in there. Just look at her. Okay, you gotta put it back in there.
Thank you. You want me to throw it back in? Here we go.
Look, Kate. In line. Yeah, that's a baby.
Okay, y'all, I apologize. My brother-in-law is out there hiding.
Y'all gotta get back in line.
Boys and girls, tell me what a boy chicken is called. A rooster. That's right. Does anybody know what a girl? Say a hen. A hen. Good job. Okay. So you have roosters, which are boys, and you have eggs. Good job. Okay. So before I get us the chicken out, I need everybody to show me 2 fingers, just like.
You see the babies, the baby goats?
They do.
I didn't go zoom. The baby goats.
Y'all coming back from fall break and then being able to go on a field trip is like the life.
Wait, your turn. Oh, you gonna touch it, Lila? The things that took You gonna touch it?
You want to touch it, KK?
Wow. Good job, y'all. Yeah, just right down her
Look.
back.
No, you gotta touch.
Good job. Okay, buddy, your turn.
Do it, Naya.
Good job, y'all. Good job. Okay, so y'all, now we're gonna. Yeah, she's like, oh my goodness. Okay, good job, y'all. Good job.
You see the babies?
Mama, let me have one of your babies. Please. I just want to take it for a minute.
Look how little. I don't think I've ever seen them that little.
I think she said they just had them. They're probably...
Oh, they look.
I don't know if it's true or not, but that's what they say. So, and I like to believe it's true. I think it's pretty cool because most of the donkeys that are over there have that. Okay, so boys and girls, so we're gonna everybody back up. Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's do something added on. Everybody, boys and girls.
You gotta wait.
Right? Everybody get in the line.
It's like a little seat, maybe.
Hold on. Y'all stay in line.
Focus.
Stay in line. Okay, buddy. But you want to pet the donkey? Well, he wants carrots, and he's not gonna get any carrots. Okay. Have him pet him on the side. Don't mess with his head, okay?
What, honey? After your pet the donkey, you're
If you want to, you can bring him in here. Hey, if you're good, I'm good. She's like, oh my goodness,
Look.
I'm holding a donkey.
Okay. Look, KK. You scared of it? You scared? Look. Okay. You're so silly. It's not gonna do nothing. Look. You got a carrot? No? No? Come on. They're over there. Stop. KK. Stop.
You gotta get mine, buddy.
You can't fit it. Look, KK. Get down.
And y'all, if there's a kid that doesn't have a parent, if y'all help them, I'll give you $3 for your
Hold your hand up flat, baby. There you go. Make sure they see the food.
You okay? Just get some. Don't be taking them. Don't be.
There you go, buddy. Kyle, here you go.
Put it. You gotta put your hand through there.
There you go.
There you
There you
go.
go.
Hold on.
You said you wanted mama.
Open your hand. Hey, Kyle. All the way.
No, Addie. Addie, quit.
Ew, don't eat it.
Stop.
That's not for you.
Come down here. Look, right here.
Here. So open your hand. No, I gotta put some in your hand. Look, they're right here. No, don't eat it.
No, I'm not giving you the cup.
KK. Okay, come on. Here. You gonna feed them? Here. Open your hand.
After y'all are done with that cup, I'll take it.
KK. Here. Look. You gotta put it in your hand. There you go.
Okay, y'all, I do want to keep moving because if not, we're not going to have enough time. Okay.
Okay, come on, Nair.
So just go ahead. If you have feed left.
What?
Mama, hurry your phone.
Making a video and you holding it to the ground. Go up the hill. Go.
Towards the front of the line.
Go with him.
He's trying to keep up.
Anyway, Scarlett does not have an eye. She's only one. How old are y'all? Y'all are 4. You're 5. Okay, so we have 4 and 5-year-olds.
Yeah. Slow down. You wanna go down the slide?
Come on.
Uh-oh. You gotta wait in line. Go with your brother, KK.
People up here, Mom. One at a time. Hey, we need to wait.
Hey, boys and girls, listen to me right now. Everybody, eyes on me. Eyes on me. One at a time, and you have to.
You have fun? Uh-oh.
Whoa, no,
KK. Come on. KK, come on.
Here we go.
You gotta wait on your brother.
Oh,
Whoa. Okay, can you wait?
Okay, get him.
Perfect. Everybody's on. Everybody hold on. Are you getting on, sweetie? You want to get on?
Uh-oh.
Hold on, wait.
Come on, KK. Really not here?
Let's see if I can shake you off.
Can you wait?
Can I push you off?
You got it?
I can't do that. Okay, so what if I'm magical?
You want me to push you?
Count to 3 and you'll be off swinging with Matthew. 1,
We're gonna swing and then we're gonna leave, okay?
2,
So y'all can go eat.
2.5, 3.
You gotta kick your legs out. Kick them out, in and out. There you go. There you go. Good job. Ooh. Hold on to this thing. You ready?
No.
Whee! Whee! So I'm on a big girl swing. Whee! Yes. So I'm on a big girl swing. Whee! Whee! Whee!
Okay, get this wet one
Whee! Okay. Whee! Whee! Say cheese. So now we're getting ready to leave the farm. You want to stand right here in front of this?
No.
Yes, stand right here so I can take your picture. You and your sister, stand right here. So now we're leaving the farm, heading to the car, and Nair decided he wants to go home. So he's going home with us. Say bye, farm.
Bye, farm.
No, y'all go. So we made it back to the car. That walk was, you know, made it back to the car. They washed their hands off when we got in here. Look at her eating them carrots. She's tearing them up too. They good?
I did.
You know what? I need to start buying her. She tearing them up too. Okay, finna go get the kids something to eat and we're headed back home. So like, comment, and subscribe. This is the end of the video. So I hope y'all guys enjoy it. Peace. Say bye.
Bye.